Hey everybody, I'm Terry
I'm Rebecca.
with the Double Down RV team, and today Rebecca want to share some great news with y'all today.
Today's the day. We're taking out this Class A. We're going to show you some safety tips that you need to follow, so stay tuned. Okay, so our first safety tip is put your emergency brake on and then make sure your jacks are up. And you can tell right here from this meter. And then make sure you turn the button off. Another safety tip, always make sure your slides are always in. Lastly, make sure your power cord is detached and stored away safely in a compartment. Also, make sure all compartment doors are closed and secure. Now that we've finished all the safety tips, time to hit the road. Don't forget, check all your mirrors and make sure you have a clear view of both sides of the RV. Remember, when pulling up to the gas station, make sure you clear the roof and watch for the poles. Make sure when you're going down the interstate that you always use your side mirrors to check before you turn lanes.
Good.
Making a pit stop at our first rest area. Make sure you pay attention when pulling into the rest area where you're supposed to go. Go with the big buses and trucks and RVs. Some rest areas have places for you to dump your black tank.
Yeah, man.
Here we are. We made it to the campground. Easy Days RV Park, right here, located in Southaven, Mississippi. Make sure when you're pulling into your RV spots that you make sure that your connections are on the right side. They're always on the driver's side.
Now that we made it to the campground, first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna put the auto leveling jacks down. And once you do that, you turn the pad on, then you hit auto level. All right, guys, we're outside. The next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna hook up to electrical, and we're gonna go to the box. The next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna hook up our city water connection. Next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and extend our slide out. All right, guys. Now we're gonna let the awning out. Don't forget, I'm Terry
And Rebecca,
with the Double Down RV team.
come see us in Southaven, Mississippi, off of Interstate 55 and Church Road.